All right, so I'm telling you, she says perform 3 parts. Oh, that's right, I put it in the quizzes area now. You're given some random words, and I want you to encrypt the same questions. Here's the sample question below. So I give you a word. I want you to convert it to hex. Then I want you to take that word and give it to me after the initial permutation, after the expansion permutation, and then if you did it wrong. Now, let me get the other part so you can see the practice, because that has the right here. And this is how you do it. Here's the practice. I give you the initial permutation table. So bit 1, see, and it's very important to read this one, because this is actually backwards. But this was written by somebody else originally. So it's very important you understand this part here. Using the IP table of DES, analyze the following table to see how the following words change from ASCII to hex. So bit 58 goes to position 1. So the word M, right? M right here is 4D. Y'all see that? 4D. 4D is this right here. And if you look at the very end, I actually give you the conversions of binary to hex equivalents. Okay? So that's how you get this part right here. That's 4, that's D. Okay? So bit 1 is M right here. Okay? So 58 goes to position 1. So what you would have to do is you have to, so this bit 0 right here, if I was you, I would create a table in Excel or something. So bit 58 goes to position 1. Everybody got that? So that 0 becomes this 0 right there. So bit 7, this 0 right here, becomes this 0 right here. Everybody see that?
Oh my goodness.
Come on, Sam, you can live. Okay, so bit 42 becomes the third one over. Bit 42, this one right here, see that one right there? Becomes this one right, that one right there. I can't quite highlight it. The third one. Everybody see how that works? Okay. So use the chart just like that, and that will give you this right here, and then run it through this. So whatever this 0 right there gets copied into positions 2 right here and 48, wherever 48 is. That's all your homework is. That's it. But there's one little trick to it, which a lot of people mess up. Remember when we took our initial 64 bits? We broke it apart. Which one are we working with?
We're working with the right one.
So are we working with bits 1 through 32, or are we working with 33 through 64?
33 through 64.
33 through 64. So bit 33 is the one you're really using as bit 1 for this part.
So how does that change? So does it actually?
So when I said 1 right here, because remember, we have all this stuff up here. Remember 33 through 64?
Oh.
So really you're only working with these bottom ones right there. Okay? So many people mess that up. So bits 1 through 32, the top ones are the left side. You don't do anything with them under the expansion permutation. So what you're going to do is you're going to expand these bottom 32 bits. Now it says it right there. Bits 1 through 32 become the left, bits 33 through 64 become the right. We're only working with the right for the expansion permutation. Now on your quiz, that's the way you do it. But then I also put on there, now if you do it incorrectly, do that one as well. I wanted you to do both ways just so you get a habit of doing it. That's what the quiz question said. It said, bring it up again.
It says do it the correct way, and then it just basically says, what if you had done it the wrong way?
Right. Do it the expansion permutation. What are the values if you did it wrong and you use the left side rather than the right side? Okay. That's what it says right there.
This actually doesn't sound that bad.
It's not that hard at all.
There's just a lot of little places to make.
Exactly. Now, I'm totally fine. Make an Excel spreadsheet and put the darn things in. Then when you put it one, it gets copied exactly where it needs to go. It's super easy to do. Okay? I just made a Java program to do it, so it's not very hard. Okay? Any questions on the assignment? Please walk through the practice, especially for DES and RSA and AES. Walk through the practice. If you don't, you're going to have a really hard time. That's all right. Does it pertain to this assignment? If
No.
not, okay. Let me stop the recording.
Finish the exam.